carrot. I eat a carrot every day. Broccoli. Broccoli is very healthy. Cucumber. This cucumber is fresh. Spinach. My mom cooks spinach. Potato. I like baked potatoes. Bell pepper. The bell pepper is red. Garlic. Garlic has a strong smell. Cauliflower. We eat cauliflower for dinner. Tomato. The tomato is juicy. Mint. I put mint in my tea. Eggplant. She is cooking eggplant today. Corn. The children love sweet corn. Onion. He cut the onion carefully. Lettuce. We need lettuce for the salad. Okra. Okra grows in warm places. Parsley. She chopped some parsley. Sweet potato. Sweet potatoes taste good. Cabbage. The cabbage is very big. Pea. I added peas to the soup. Basil. Fresh basil smells nice. Zucchini. My grandma grows zucchini. Beetroot. The beetroot is purple. Green bean. We picked green beans today. Cilantro. I like cilantro in rice. Pumpkin. The pumpkin is heavy. Radish. I eat radish with lunch. Mushroom. The mushroom is fresh. Dill. My mother adds dill to the rice. Turnip. Turnip is good in winter. Red pepper. The red pepper is very spicy. Celery. She likes celery soup. Chickpea. We cook chickpeas every week. Leek. The leek is long and green. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are healthy. Lima bean. My family eats lima beans for dinner. Arugula. I like arugula in my salad. Kale. Kale is full of vitamins. Jalapeno. This jalapeno is hot. Soybean. Soybeans grow on farms. Chard. My grandma cooks chard. Artichoke. I want to try an artichoke. Green onion. Green onions taste fresh. Kidney bean. She added kidney beans to the soup. Asparagus. Asparagus is easy to cook. Fennel. Fennel has a special smell. Black bean. Black beans are rich in protein. Kohlrabi. The kohlrabi is on the table. Watercress. I put watercress in my sandwich. White bean. My father likes white beans. Endive. Endive is fresh and crunchy.
Thank you for watching.